And this is Omar's Miata. And unfortunately, it has met its demise after its previous crash. The frame is bent beyond repair, and me and my friend Eli here, we're gonna go ahead and try to pull the motor out tonight. This is Eli, by the way, and we're gonna be removing all the accessories, all the stuff in the way, and hopefully by the end of the night, the motor's out.
Where are the mounts?
And his
on the side.
Immaculate motor. Man, this thing was amazing, bro. It was the best.
I don't want to look at it anymore.
I know, bro. But yeah, this is what we're working with. I'm gonna start with all the easy stuff, drain the coolant, then kind of just analyze what we got to do from there.
Yeah, should be a piece of cake. Should be by the end of tonight we can have it out, mount it put it on the stand, and then we can show you guys what it would look like outside.
Exactly. Let's get into it. Had to switch in to the full jumpsuit because we're about to get freaking dirty right now, bro. Oh, yeah. We're gonna go move to the coolant system. I'm gonna drain the coolant. The little pan's right there. Yeah, let's keep the progress going, boys. What do you think, Omar? What the fuck is that shit?
You don't have to go, I can...
Just wanna rotate this hose. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh!
Gatorade.
Hey. So far, we have the radiator out, disconnected, obviously all the airbox stuff. Eli's been working on the harness. It's practically completely undone here. Nice and simple, right, Eli?
Oh, she's a piece of cake.
Yeah. Took a little break. It's currently 8:50. We're slowing down. We had a very long day today. Here. What do we have left?
These are easy, actually. They come out pretty easy.
Fire.
So what we have left is we're gonna get the header bolts out, trying to remove it from the motor. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get the AC compressor, leave it with the chassis, and the final things are gonna be we're gonna remove it from the mounts and pull her.
Yep.
And she's out.
After that, we should be good. We have a
Couple connections, maybe.
couple connections, some lines, maybe some electrical on this side.
I got all the electrical already. The only thing we need to get is the vacuum lines here. Hard lines, so we have these ones. They just disconnect from here though.
All right.
That's it.
It's rough, boys.
We're getting it done though.
Freaking tired, but we got to get it done because we're gonna need the space for our next project, which you will see soon. Got the hoist ready. Big project coming. Very excited.
Oh yes.
Favorite sound to hear.
Oh, I love it.
Oh,
There we go.
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Dude, it might just come out, bro.
All right, guys.
Oh my gosh.
He's got it out.
Oh.
Seems like there it is. There's the flange from the cat.
Dude, what is that weld?
Pretty bad weld. Look at it, guys.
Dude, what the?
Look at it.
What? It went like halfway around.
Yeah, that's a pretty bad weld, man.
That's not even welded.
All right, guys, we're making progress. As you can see, we got most of it out. Next thing we're gonna do, motor mounts and the AC. We can't release the Freon because
so
we don't have a license. So
that and we don't have anywhere it would release to than the atmosphere.
And
so we're gonna just keep it with the chassis for now.
I agree.
Probably just keep it like that, to be honest.
Yeah.
Oh, there's so much more room in here now.
Oh yeah, she's gonna come out, boys.
Motor mounts
and girls,
right
boys
there.
and girls.
Both.
All the
Yeah, I
wiring
think those
harnesses
are like-
is out. Everything is out here, guys. The front, as you can see, the radiator's all out. Everything is all out.
Ooh, that one is very tight.
There. Oh, and Cheeks just got one.
It's like fishing or what?
It's like fishing. It's like, if you guys ever gone fishing and ever felt a fish bite?
It's the same
Oh,
feeling.
it's the same feeling, guys.
Oh.
Look at him. Came out? Oh, guys, look.
It still has
Oh,
the zinc
dang.
on it.
Still has this. Can we get a good shot here? Oh, oh, dang. That is crazy. All right, guys.
Grinding hard. You'll see. Got the car jacked up. Believe I have all the PPF bolts out that connect the transmission. I think I can completely see. This is how we got it. Got a jack stand there in case. AC compressors out. Eli's working on getting the motor
harness to pull it out. We're
Getting-
out tonight, boys.
Hopefully, yeah. No, it will be. Now I think the only thing holding it in is the motor mount bolts. There's one here, one there. Very simple. Like I said, we had a long day. It's
All right.
exactly 10:30.
So this is what we're gonna do.
Just keep grinding away. All right, I think we have everything unhooked. The motor mounts are loose. Seems like it is separated from the PPF. I can't really get a good look at the left side because not much space to jack it up at. It's kind of at a little bit of a sketchy spot, but now the cherry picker clears under and connect it right at the top. So almost 11.
It's 11?
Almost.
Before the next day, we said, guys. So
Yeah.
we're running out of time here. Oh,
What?
she moved.
It did?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, looks like it's already kind of coming out. Yeah, that's just a PPF.
Pretty high. There we go.
I can't
What was that?
say it.
What was that?
Nothing, though.
Motor mount split in half?
Split.
Yeah.
Did
The hardware
Yeah, the
from
hardware from the sim.
This is the hardware from the sim right here, guys. It kept me going. Because my
God, it
alternator was
worked.
like, they're just dangling and shit. But it still got me around.
It worked. It worked.
How did that happen? That was from the
this
crash
is
in the
gonna be-
canyon.
Yeah.
Now we're officially pulling her out. She's mostly out right now. We're just in
Dude, yeah, that motor mount split.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 11:10, bro.
11:10. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We don't need to worry about that, guys. We're good. We're trained professionals
Do not try this
at home. We are trained professionals.
We've done this many, many times.
Oh, too many. She's out. There
Oh,
we go.
yeah.
She's oil pans out too.
Dude, it's actually out.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Watch out,
No, you're good.
boys.
You're good.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna jack it up again because we're on. There's a lot of fluid leaking out here. Oh, it's fuel. Never mind. You're good. All right, hold up. We got wire.
Wires?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, ese pese, mijo. Snip.
Get that. Dude, look how much it's stretched.
All right, guys. Wow.
Crazy
We
thing.
forgot.
What is that big ass bolt down there?
I have to run.
That's from the PPF.
Ready?
Oh, shit. Hey, get back.
Get back. Okay, ready?
Go.
So snip from inside. Oh, we're good. All right, we're good. We're out, guys.
Fucking beast.
Good shit. Or good. Oh, sorry, redo. Good stuff.
Good stuff.
With chanclas?
Good stuff.
Fuck.
And
Hey,
Crocs?
can we take a photo?
Chanclas and Crocs too.
Nah, we gotta beat the shoe game.
Fuck.
Can we take a photo with the engine
You're
out?
supposed to have the steel toes
That's
on,
right.
bro.
Like a bass, like a huge tuna. Like we did it, bro.
We did it, boys. Some basic hand tools. Literally, just tools from this little Husky box from Home Depot. Pulled the whole motor out. Huge thanks to this thing. We would not be done without the electric tools, so. It's weird, it's like a mixture of,
Different sizes.
yeah.
There we go.
Much. Alright, I would just,
Right
yeah, leave it there.
Yep, the thread on the back came out. Gone.
Dude,
What?
that's the
issue.
I think this is
It's
the wrong bolt.
There she goes.
What the fuck
That
is
bolt
that?
that was up, put on here.
Oh,
You got all scared, huh?
She's out.
Don't get scared, mijo.
there we go.
So guys, we're getting her on the motor stand right now. Make her look very pretty so that we can roll her around more easy.
Close.
Right. You let go.
Got the motor in the corner. Just gotta clean up now. Come take a look at this freaking mess out here. Yeah, this is just water, coolant. Get all our sockets together. All right, boys, we're all dirty, but got the trailer returned. The truck's good. We're slumped. Our stomachs hurt, but grind goes on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, very much appreciate it. Much more content to come. Like I said, there's a huge project coming soon. Video dropping sooner than later on that one, but stay tuned because new content is always coming out.